Anyways, Ninja are more than an entertainer. Yo, the man just great. The man is just great. Watch Ninja.
Make up your mind and make sure it decide if me fi put Buju Bant on one side. Make up your mind and make sure it decide if me fi put Buju Bant on one side. I murder the bitch, them know me nah hide. Me and me gun inna me hand, me dey glide like a ninja bike, me start ride. Make up your mind and make sure it decide if me fi put Buju Bant on one side. I leave them a pause, let them lie down. Put the whole of them up on the blasting drum. First man, they want your barrack in me a ton. Do a full foot and say in a jam. Talking about ting-a-ling-a-ling is good break this thing. Here we go. Oi, silent. Tell me what you want me to do. Tell me. Should I just murder them? Murder them.
Yo, the rhythm they bad. Somebody need to recreate the rhythm they it bad. Watch the Ninja mash up dancehall.
Come down your way there. One little piece of stage of the work. And some little laperacious characters and then they can take a liberty about there in that front of gold in and God and tell me back to move.
Listen, who make Ninja suit them back in the days? Man suit them outlandish. What is? Yo, that rhythm is bad. Somebody should definitely remake it. More of Brother Days, man.
Where is dancehall going?
Well, it's going to the top. By now, 1997, dancehall will be the top music in the world. They're trying to cut out dancehall still, but they can't. And they've been trying for a long time, and we're spreading more and more. Yes, the Shabba get 2 Grammy out of dancehall, but there's a lot more artists gonna get more. And I'm not going for Grammy, I'm going for Oscar this time.
Jump up and down, say you protect the God and come. Make me hear all the sound of the gun. Just that I might have a team and come. Jump and you jump up and down. Rail up the gun. Make me hear man, the man. Rail up the gun. Okay, the damn champion. But when they get him and they get on the man. But when they get him and they get on the man. Yes, I told me say, I told me done. Make me hear from all of them. I'm leaving.
Competition is tough in dancehall. There's a lot of competition and rivalry. What's up between you and Shabba?
Nothing. Shabba is my good friend.
Okay.
But I enjoy a competition. That's where my happiness lies.
How is that? What is it about your nature that?
Because a ninja is a assassinator, and I love to kill, assassinate, and destroy.
No, that's one thing. That's what you're saying, you know. I know you're talking lyrically.
Lyrically, yeah.
But a lot of people who don't understand take things, you know.
In the other way.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, they must know that it's musically I'm speaking, yeah? You conquer evil by music, yeah?
Listen me. Where Ninja get film accent them from? Brother, this man has something else in the man. The man can switch up the accent depending on the accent of the interviewer. Yo, I hope you guys had a laugh because I had a blast. Alright, so if you want to watch Ninjaman's full performance at the 1993 Reggae Sumfest, just go in the description below. I'll have the link to that video here on YouTube there. Do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down there, share it with somebody, and subscribe. Bless.